Okay, so changing a bulb is pretty easy on a Citroen Berlingo. As you can see, just pull it through, pull the rubber back, wires come off as well. You've got this little like spring contraption here which goes to one side, pulls back, and then the bulb comes free. I'm not going to take mine out because it's not faulty. So in reverse, align your lamp up, metal clip over and back. Put your rubber on. It's going to take 2 hands. Basically you have to line them holes up with the pins on the back of the bulb and then fit the wires. Okay, so that's in place. You can see the pins coming through. Just attach the wires to that now. Pretty easy. Here's, you have to undo this little bracket. It's a little fastener. The unit then pops free, giving you access to the back. Obviously unclip the back and you have access to the bulbs. It's really easy to do, so make sure you change the right bulb. You can see that by checking the elements and the pin locations and things like that. Pretty easy to do. I'm not going to go all the way because mine works perfect, so